And this is a portion of the letter of one of the Jesuit mentor of Rizal when he was still in Ateneo, Father Pestels. This was written when Rizal was still exiled in Lapitan. So Father Pestels had this mission to reconvert Rizal back to the faith. When he was telling Rizal this, he was moving in the perspective of the church that time and how they viewed Rizal and his works. Remember, the Noli Me Tangere was not written in Filipino. He did not write it in Tagalog because the audience was not the Filipinos. He wanted the Spanish audience to understand and to read it. So I've been listening to some debates, lectures. Sabi reformer siya because he just wanted equality for the Filipinos but he never wanted to be disengaged from Spain. No, he's still a revolutionary because some of his works talked about him wanting to disengage from Spain. But Rizal, he was not the reformer in the secular sense lang, but he began to see something that he experienced as he went through these countries who experienced Reformation, which is the Word of God.